Impossible, impossible. Very stupid, a very bullshit word in this world that is called impossible. I firmly believe that nothing is impossible in this world. Everything is a possible, but it requires passion, it requires hard work, it requires determination, it requires persistence, it requires proper planning, it requires strategy execution, and it requires stubborn and very important thing that while listening this word impossible, you need to be deaf, you need to close the windows of your ears. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, your motivational speaker Shahzad with a wonderful topic, nothing is impossible. Before moving ahead, I would like to request all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel, press bell icon, and if you found that video is good and it's informative, you are requested to share it among your friends, your colleagues, and within your society, so that maximum number of people may avail my motivations. Comment box is also open for you. You can put your suggestion about my videos. If you want your speech on any of your desired topic, I will come back soon with your desired topic. So let's begin the actual topic. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to share you the result of my experience in professional career. I believe that nothing is impossible in this world. The word impossible is a big obstacle, it's a big hurdle, it's a bump on the roadway of your success. Whenever you come across this word, you need to be totally deaf. You need to close the windows of your ears. Yes, this is a very, very demandable thing to achieve your goal, to achieve your destination, to meet your targets. You have to take everything is a possible. I would like to quote a very wonderful scientist, a very renowned scientist in this world. The name is Dr. Lee the First. In 1955, he given a prediction that it's impossible for human being. They can never reach on the surface of the moon. No human being can reach on the surface of the moon. That was a prediction given by world famous renowned scientist Dr. Lee the First. The world listened his prediction, but there was one deaf person who ignored the word of that doctor. 1955, he given this prediction, and in 1969, that deaf person was on the surface of the moon with his hand carry. Ladies and gentlemen, you know about the name of that person, that is called Neil Armstrong. If he listened this prophecy, if he listened this prediction of the great scientist, definitely he may not able to reach on the surface of the moon. He has taken this prediction as a challenge and he made this impossible possible. There was one more scientist, that name was Baron Calvin. What he did, he given a prediction that nothing can fly in the air except birds because of the effect of the gravity. Gravity pulls every massive things down to the earth. Gravity is a great resistance on the way of flying. So in this world, nobody can fly. But there were two more deaf brothers. They ignored his prediction. They unlistened the prediction of Baron Calvin. And what they did, they made a flying machine with the parts of bicycle. If they used to listen the word of this Baron Calvin, definitely they may not able to fly. These Wright brothers were the first one who succeeded to make a machine, a flying machine called the aeroplane of that time. And that was the revolution in the history of human being. That first time they started to fly like birds. So ladies and gentlemen, to support my word that nothing is impossible, I would like to quote two more examples. There is a Olympic. There was Olympic player named as a Wilma Rudolph. She was a polio infected patient. Doctor said that you can never walk, but she proved doctor wrong. Medical practitioner. How? With her passion, with her determination, she proved that the doctor was wrong. Everything is possible. She can walk. In fact, she can run. And she became a world-renowned Olympic player. She won the gold medal against that. A very famous scientist named as Albert Einstein. The Albert Einstein, at the age of school going, one day he received a letter from his school office. He handed over that letter to his mother. The mother read that letter loudly in the front of Einstein. The mother read like this: as per the management of your school, they written this letter with the statement that you have exceptional skills. Your mind is a very proactive mind. You are very talented and you have superpowers inside you. The management and the school is not capable to support you, to teach you on your level. So they want you to shift yourself from this school to another school. Einstein mother told him, from nowadays you will not go to school. I will take the responsibility of your study. You will have a home study with me. After that, a while, when Albert Einstein became a successful, world-renowned scientist, he was about to shift his house. He found that letter in the drawer. Letter was covered with the dust, and he removed the dust and he recognized that this is the same letter, whatever he handed over to his mother. And what the statement on that letter was there: your Einstein is an absent mind student, is totally non-serious in his study. So school do not want him to continue with them because this will affect the reputation or the quality standard of the schools. Albert Einstein came to know that this world is always there to put an obstacle, to put a hurdle on the roadway of your success. So we also need to know this, that what is the role part of our society is this: they are there to make weaker to a weak person. They are there to put obstacle, to put difficulties on your way. They are there to make a laughter. They are there to enjoy your failureness. Your society is there to kill you before die. You need to be deaf on every step that is a tackle on your success. You need to unlisten all those words, whatever, either they are making a laughter of you, either they are putting a few hurdles or hardships in your life so that you may not succeed. So you should be a much more vigilant on that. And while listening such a negative word, while listening such a pessimistic word, you need to be uncareful about their words, what they used to think, and even you have to take the challenge of those words, and definitely the success will never be far away from you. Ji Jazakallah.